MySQL is the world's most popular open-source database. Developers love that it's easy to use, reliable, and super fast for transactional applications. However, since MySQL is usually pretty slow at running analytics queries, you need to use a separate analytics database for reporting, which presents several challenges. First, you need to migrate data to your analytics database, which typically involves setting up complicated ETL processes to extract, transform, and load your data. And by the time your data is finally available in the separate analytics database, your analytics are already stale. Not to mention the increased security and compliance risks of moving data between data stores. And finally, there's the obvious challenge of having to pay for two databases instead of just one. Never a good approach for keeping costs low. Your data deserves better. Introducing the HeatWave MySQL service from Oracle. HeatWave MySQL is the only MySQL database that delivers fast performance for both transactional and analytics queries. It eliminates the need for the complex, time-consuming, expensive ETL and integration required with a separate analytics database. Rather than moving your data, changes made by MySQL transactions are automatically replicated in real time to the HeatWave Analytics cluster, an integrated, high-performance, in-memory query accelerator. Those changes become immediately available for analytics queries, enabling real-time analytics. What if you have data in object storage using various file formats? No problem. With HeatWave Lakehouse, you can query a petabyte of data in the object store without moving it to the MySQL database. To be faster and simpler, HeatWave uses machine learning to automate provisioning, data loading, query execution, and failure handling, saving developers and DBAs significant time. And what about creating your own machine learning models? HeatWave AutoML also eliminates the need to move data to a separate machine learning tool. An automated process makes it easy to build, train models, and run machine learning inference within HeatWave. Simply submit a query and you'll get predictions along with explanations so you can understand and trust results. HeatWave Gen AI also simplifies generative AI. Rather than integrate with external large language models, you can use in-database optimized LLMs. You interact with your data using natural language and can ask follow-up questions since context is preserved. An integrated and automated vector store allows LLMs to search your enterprise data to provide more accurate and contextually relevant answers without requiring AI expertise or moving data to a separate vector database. Finally, HeatWave MySQL is faster than comparable cloud services for analytics and mixed workloads and lowers your costs. It's time you had a single cloud service to meet your transactional, data warehouse and lakehouse analytics, machine learning, and Gen AI needs. Regardless of the use case, HeatWave is faster, smarter, and more automated. Learn more and get started for free.